Hi, I'm Cam Bear. I'm a design consultant in the Greenville Lazy Boy Gallery. Today I'm going to talk to you about iClean. What is an iClean fabric? Number one, it is a Lazy Boy only product. With advanced technology, when manufacturing the fabric, they actually dip it. That way, each individual fiber is fully treated. So with the Lazy Boy fabric, you actually can take care of everyday stains and spills. So what is the difference between an actual stain application and your iClean fabric? So a stain application is something that's sprayed on the fabric. So with your iClean, when it's manufactured in the plant, it actually runs through a bath where it is dipped, so it is attached to all the individual fibers, opposed to it being sprayed after the fabric's made. So you may be asking yourself, who needs this? Well, in my opinion, as a consultant, I believe everyone can use it. If you have small kids, pets, or even if you like to entertain. Oh my gosh, we'll worry about your spills so you don't have to. You just take a towel and you blot it up. Once it dries, there will be no stain. So how do you choose your iClean fabric just for you? Number one, you can work with a consultant like myself, and we can talk to you about the different patterns, textures, and colors. There's an array of colors that are iClean that you can choose from. Also, you can work with one of our degree designers and we can help you pick the fabric that is right for you. So let's talk about warranty. So with your iClean warranty, you automatically get a 3-year warranty for all food and beverage stains. So that covers all your spills. But in your gallery, you can talk to your consultant about upgrading to a lifetime warranty. That warranty covers all of your spills, food and beverage, but it also covers anything that is a cut, a tear, a puncture, grass, grease, iodine, pen ink, oh my gosh, you name it, the list keeps going on and on. That'll give you lifetime coverage. If we cannot clean it, we'll repair it. And if we can't repair it, we actually replace it for free. Lifetime is for as long as you want it.